You can sit back and relax enjoying this time lapse, and if you did actually want to learn how to make this egg with all the details, then please see my other tutorials on my channel. There are so many different types of eggs you can learn how to make. I'm Mel from Two Feathers Gallery, and please enjoy this video. You can use any old nail polish that you have lying around at home and turn your egg into something really spectacular. They make really great gifts all year round, including Christmas and Easter, and they're just so much fun to make. So please enjoy watching me make them and see what the process is like. Here's the finished egg. It has an amazing weight and expensive look and feel to it, and I hope that you've enjoyed this time lapse and become inspired to create your very own dragon eggs. So there's one last important safety tip to mention here, and also I'd like to remind you guys that these eggs are available for sale in my Etsy shop if you're interested. And thank you so much for joining me, and please click on the links at the end of the video to find more exciting dragon egg projects, including more nail polish, non-toxic gesso, resin and polymer clay versions.